WhatsApp has taken a huge step ahead in the privacy aspect by letting you create usernames that gives you full control and decide who can actually reach out to you on WhatsApp. So if you haven't set yours up or just looking for a way to reserve your username right now before the rollout goes out worldwide, I am going to show you how you can create your own WhatsApp username and take control of your privacy on WhatsApp. Let's get in. So the first thing that you want to do when looking to set up your WhatsApp username is to, of course, make sure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp. You can update it directly from your Play Store, just as so. You search for WhatsApp and then you make sure that you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. This goes likewise for the WhatsApp business application. Okay, so once you've made sure that you've updated or that you're using the latest version of WhatsApp, you just want to open WhatsApp. Now on WhatsApp, you just want to click on this three dot icon here and then you select settings. Okay, now from these settings, you just want to click on account, just as so, and then you see your account under there. You should see something like username. Okay, you just want to click on this username tab here, and then if you haven't set up your own username, okay, you have to create yours right now. So just create a username that works well for you or that will be recognizable by anyone that wants to reach out to you through WhatsApp. If you are a business, you want to create a business username. If you are using your personal WhatsApp account, you want to create a username that someone who wants to reach out to you will actually recognize you through this username. And what I love more about this WhatsApp username is that, as I said earlier, WhatsApp has taken the privacy to the next level with this username. So you can basically decide who can reach out to you on WhatsApp through these usernames. And for that, you just want to click on this contact me by username here. For now, it is on everyone, but if you want just specific people to reach out to you, you want to select those that have your key. So just click through this tab here and you'll be shown a code. Okay, this code now, once you copy it, once you copy this key and send it to anyone that wants to reach out to you on WhatsApp, the person will be able to reach out to you. Okay, because when they enter your username in the search bar or trying to reach out to you with the username, they'll be prompted to enter this key. And then when they enter the key, they'll be able to reach out to you. So only trusted people can reach out to you with this key, and you want to keep it very safe and private. Okay, because this is just the key to your privacy with these usernames. So that was just it on WhatsApp usernames and how to set yours up right now. I recommend you do so just before WhatsApp rolls this lively in the whole world, before maybe anyone can start claiming your own username, which you wouldn't want to be that way. So this is the best time for you to create yours. Okay, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell down below to not miss my upcoming content. I catch you in the next episode.